Good day folks, and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to do a quick design in Designspark Mechanical for a 3D printed project. So I'm going to open up my Designspark here. So what we're going to do is select File, New Design, and that's brought it up. There's our new design. I'm going to go for something really simple here just for the demonstration. I'm going to go for a square. Let's make it 60, enter, 60, enter. Right. Let's just put it back in the middle of the screen. Now I want to turn it into a square block. So I'm going to select pull up here. I'm going to select the horizontal plane. And then I'm going to enter the height of the cube. There we go. We have a cube. Right. Now let's go about drilling a hole into it. Select the top plane. Select the center. And let's make that a 40mm hole. Now we want to extrude that hole downwards. So once again, pull. Select that. And we know it's 60mm high. I'll go for 40mm. And there we have it. Now if I hold down the scroll wheel, there's a cube with a hole in it. Lovely. Now I want to chamfer these inner edges a bit. So what I'm going to do, select round. And let's make that a 5mm chamfer. And I want to do the same to the top. Chamfer that 5mm. There we go. And we've got a hole in it with a chamfer. Very simple. And that's our simple cube. It's now ready to be converted to a file which we can then put in our printer for printing. So we go export options, STL, and I'm just going to say cube. And there we go, STL out. Now if I go and open that, it should, actually let's not worry about the slicing at this stage. That's something for another day. But there's our cube. Thanks for watching.